All right, here we are, Bob and Brad, and we are talking about the Q2 massage
A
gun.
great gun.
We really like it, but there's a couple things that we need to clear up
Right.
with some people. As far as when you receive it, the instruction book will say you need to plug it in, charge it for 3 hours. And people are finding out that they plug it in and it's not charging. There's
Right.
no light lighting up.
Right.
And the reason is because it's already fully charged from the factory.
So when it charges, it's fully charged, light go out.
Right. Yep. So I'll plug this in, and if you do this and the light doesn't come on, it means it's already fully charged. If it isn't, there's a little blue light here that comes on. After a few hours, the light will go out. It's fully charged.
Right.
There's a lot of devices that I know I have some that are they're like red when they're charging, they're green when it's fully charged.
Right.
It's not the case with this one.
Right. What about starting it?
Another thing, and this is true with I think all of our guns. There's a little button, you can't see it, but you kind of can if you look hard. You push it, and it doesn't go.
Right.
That's
I
because
have it.
you have to push and hold it for
3
seconds,
seconds.
and then it takes off. And then it indicates what level intensity. There's 5 of them. It's 1 light right now, 2 lights, and it's very clear. And you have to go cycle all the way up to have it go off again.
Again, a great gun.
It is. For the size of this gun, it is my favorite
Very
gun.
powerful.
Yep. Easy to hold in your hand, which I like, particularly if people with smaller hands or if you're older, you have arthritic hands. It's a great one. And yeah, I'm just going to continue doing this. And yeah, we're done.
I see.
Ooh, yeah.